Hello guys, welcome to another video. Sorry for not posting any videos for about a month ago. I've been very busy all the time and I couldn't film anything. But today I brought something else on the table. So what we have right here is an old chassis that I have found on a bargain. This is the LG775 motherboard. We do have it right here. It also has the Pentium 4. Let me zoom in so I can show you. So take a closer look. This is the Intel Pentium 4 at 3.4 gigahertz. It has 1 meg of level 2 cache and the front side bus at 800. The problem, the seller informed me that this motherboard is damaged. It doesn't turn on at all. I have tried many times to test her out using a different type of power supplies, but it doesn't seem to turn on at all. So the seller was right this time around. He only has two slots for the RAM. Of course, it's not going to benefit if you're planning to add more RAM in the future. But anyway, since it's very old, I have no use for it. I'm going to put it aside, and probably I'll be using it for the spare parts in the near future. I'm not sure. Now let me show you the computer case that I was keep telling you about. This is the IBM, I believe. This is the space inside. It also has the rear fan that was included, and the seller informed me that he used this chassis, the old chassis with the motherboard, and you also have the speaker right here. You see the old one, but of course it's just a normal speaker. This is very loud. And into the front, the fan, the 80mm, I believe, is missing. However, this is the caddy. I'm going to show you the caddy so you can make an idea what I'm talking about. Sorry. This is the caddy for the 3.5-inch hard drive. You can only install only one here. It also has some of the mechanism here that is connecting up right here. You see, in this spot, and you can also close it using this button from here. So you can release and then push to the right, like the arrow shown here. Anyway, let me show you into the front of the case what it's all about. This is the Lenovo computer case, ThinkCentre. The DVD. This is the DVD player only. It doesn't have the. It doesn't have the DVD rewritable at all. This is just the player DVD. It doesn't work. It has some of the issues when you try to install the disk inside and try to see if it's any readable. It's not going to work. It just keeps spinning all the time. So yeah, this one must be replaced. And this computer used for the Windows Vista, the Pentium D inside, and right here into the front panel we do have 2 USBs, a headset, microphone, and the power on. It does have the reset. We do have the indicator for the hard drive, also the power on. And if you take a look closer, yeah, this is all there is to it. Also, it has the license here into the for the Windows Vista. Of course, it's not important. We're not going to be able to use it at all. But yeah, this is how. By the way, the power supply is not original. This is something that, if you zoom in here, right here, we do see that on the 12 volts rail has 16 amps, which is probably not the best, of course. It has the only 400 watts, and it's very dirty. Anyway, but yeah, this is the power supply that I'll be using it. Now let me show you the motherboard. If you remember, back in the day, I had another different type of motherboard. This is the 1155 motherboard. We do have the GAB75M D2V. The PCI Express 3.0. It has what is nice about this motherboard is for the 1155 is it has the 6 SATA connector. You're not gonna see to many motherboards this kind of thing. Only the Gigabyte sometimes using it. But the motherboard was dropped to the trash by a guy nearby where I live here, and he was brutalized here. You see, there is a spot here. The locking mechanism was damaged and broken, and anyway, also this one, the battery was removed, and I tried replacing it, with the different type of bracket, and I also installed the battery inside for the CMOS. Everything is updated, everything is working using this motherboard. It also has the USB 3.0 and the video integrated from the Intel. It also has the Ivy Bridge Celeron inside here for the processor. And my plan is to install it here into this this chassis, And the memory that we have installed right here, it only has the Micron, is 1 GB, and the Corsair, the XMS 3, that is 4 GB from Dell computer, and it'll be a total of 5 GB. Of course, these two type of sticks will not be comparable, and probably will cause our problems, but my purpose for this video is to show you that this motherboard will fit perfectly here into the chassis. See you into the part 2, guys.